Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dylan. For those that are new to the channel, Space Cadet Crypto, and we cover all things crypto here. And today we have so much to unravel, so much news to get into that I don't know if I can fit it all in this one video. But if you want to stay up to date with all the newest info, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it so much. But let's jump right in. Okay, our first headline for today is top crypto exchanges see technical issues amid market crash. And this is something that's pretty common every single time we see a huge traffic of people either buying or selling. And we see this happen all the time. If you're new to crypto investing, that's why it is very important and why I cannot stress this enough to have multiple exchanges where you have your capital on, whether it's USDT, whether it's Tether, or whether it's any of your altcoin portfolio or Bitcoin, and you want to trade and buy up these great opportunities, because right now we're seeing some great opportunities to buy. We're seeing so much red across the board, so many altcoins down 30, 20, 50% even. So it is always important to have a lot of options when it comes to using exchanges and to buy and to sell. And we do see that, look, even the biggest markets exchanges have gone down. Coinbase being one of them, Gemini, Kraken. Coinbase has like 60 million users that are registered to Coinbase. So imagine being one of the largest exchanges and having your actual exchange go down because of these massive sell-offs that we see in the market right now. So it says Kraken all reporting technical issues at press time. Out of order. Exactly. So if we look down here, it says cryptocurrency market prices of most assets have dropped to their lowest level in months, like in months. And major crypto exchanges look to be struggling under heavy traffic. Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken all reporting technical issues at this time. Coinbase status page indicates an intermittent downtime with problems across the website, mobile's API, as well as delays with Ether and gas fees just skyrocketing now. People are trying to grab their money out because they're scared and because they don't know how to hold. A lot of these investors are very new to the crypto space, and once they see huge volatile swings like this down 40%, they get super scared. I mean, of course, like, why wouldn't they? It's very psychological and it affects everybody, but people that have been in the space longer know that these are normal and that they will reverse soon. We're going to go over some altcoins that I think are very, very safe buys to buy right now. We'll go over that in just a second, but it says here Kraken's page lists connectivity issues on web and mobile, as well as problem with their instant buy feature. So that's yikes. And so we see the Winklevoss twins. They are founders of the Gemini platform, and they are highlighting more general and systems that are suffering from degraded performance. Even Binance is such a huge exchange. It is one of the exchanges I use, and I think it's very trustworthy. I still think it's very trustworthy, but even them, they are susceptible to crashes like this. It says here, Binance's world largest crypto exchange has said that it's temporarily suspending withdrawals of Ethereum and other ERC tokens due to network congestion. And as we can see, the updates is Binance has temporarily suspended trading on all Binance leveraged tokens except for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. So Binance says Ether and ERC tokens withdrawals have resumed, but have had huge amounts of fee increases here, high gas prices, which are the prices that you pay for using the Ethereum network, and it charges you like the extra fee there, and it's very high right now, and especially now since everybody's trying to trade and sell because they're scared. But that is like the worst thing you can do at this moment. Not financial advice, but I am personally holding. But don't worry, just hodl, hold your bags, and wait for it to come back. All right, that's the best thing you can do at this moment. It says, from where we stand, it appears that many investors are now taking advantage of the morning's disruption to buy the dip. But that's actually the worst part, is once these exchanges do go down and you do see the price go, I saw Ethereum go from 3,000 all the way down to $1,900, almost 1,000% drop, or $1,000 drop, which would have been a perfect time to enter in if you're new to Ethereum. But since these exchanges are also down, you cannot even buy the dip until it's already halfway back up. So that's why it's always important to have different exchanges. As you can see here, people are still very bullish on Bitcoin. Here, ARK Investments, Kathy Wood still says Bitcoin can go to 500,000. Wood made the prediction even as the leading cryptocurrency tumbled today and yesterday as well. It says, Wood said on Wednesday, Bitcoin is on sale right now, and she's right. A lot of things are on sale. We're going to go over which one are my favorite picks right now. Bitcoin fell for the 5th straight day, but during the interview, Wood briefly addressed Tesla CEO Elon Musk, environmental concerns, on Bitcoin mining, explain the adoption of solar energy and mining will accelerate dramatically. Yeah, you know, like he obviously knows all this stuff. He, I think, is just promoting FUD. He knows what he's done, and if he didn't, that makes him even look dumber because, come on, how do you not invest in and be so public about something that you don't know anything about? Especially with him running a SpaceX and Tesla and all that stuff. So he has a lot to lose. But it says, would still prospects for a Bitcoin exchange trading fund approval in the US very soon, and that could skyrocket this to the moon. And at press time releases, Bitcoin was trading at 40,000, but now it's still trading a little bit under that. I think around 38,000, right there, 38,000. So it's still looking good, but people are still bullish on this. I also don't think the bull run is over. We're just having a severe correction because of these exchanges and their over leveraged trading. But let's jump into a more controversial, maybe I don't know if it's how true it is, but we could see a potential reversal from this post. So we have another piece of news here. We have a insider at a huge Chinese firm that has predicted the Bitcoin dump to 30,000, and they do have some news on when it will bounce back again. It says, for those that are not busy, there will be another announcement from China soon. Picture is semi-related. Can't tell you guys what firm I work for, but it's massive, and it's working with the PRC. The purpose of today's press release, alongside with all the FUD that's been posted, remember Elon FUD, environmental FUD, and the China FUD banning crypto, posted, is to get BTC as low as possible to get before 7 a.m. First, there will be a coordinated sell-off to drop the prices below a certain threshold and liquidate one certain stakeholder. Can't outright say who it is, but they bought the dip and they were partially responsible for that. So some revenge right here. It says, once liquidated, the plan is to buy up all the reserves and essentially leave him bankrupt. If you guys want to get rich, grab some coffee and watch for that big dip. Once it happens, things are going to get green really fast. We project 70,000. That is all. And we see some more talk right here apart from that that message. It says, if you want to set it buy or sell limit, where do we sell at 35K? Where do you think it will be? UTC, what press release are you referring to? And it says, just send me your BTC and hold them for you, bros. So it all depends on how many firms are liquid at the price. This is going to be big and fast. And we did see exactly that. We saw a huge drop from 39,000 right when we bounced off critical support at 38,000. We went up to 39, got rejected, and went straight down to 30,000. It was a huge liquidation. Billions of dollars were lost there. A lot of over leveraged traders were liquidated. And we also see here, and they also linked here, I'll put this link down below. It says, insider of large Chinese firm predicts Bitcoin's crash on 4chan to 30K and bounce at 1 p.m. UTC, 12 hours before it happened. And we also see here 1 p.m. UTC happens in 10 hours and 48 minutes. So this is where we're going to see that bounce to move all the way up to new all-time highs. So I'm going to be watching this and seeing if it actually comes true, because he did get 2 of those 3 predictions right. This is the last prediction that we see a major bounce here in the next 10 hours. So if this does happen, and even if this doesn't happen and Bitcoin just trades sideways for a while, it is a great opportunity to buy altcoins at a discounted price. And let's look and see which altcoins are super discounted and a great buy, a great investment. All right, so we're here on CoinMarketCap. We have our top 10 that we can see right now. Bitcoin down 8% to 37.8. We have Ethereum at 2,400, which I think is still a good buy. Anything below 2,500 is a great buy for Ethereum. It is down 40% for the week. We saw a huge run up with Ethereum, and now we are seeing it bounce back down to its previous breakout target of 2,200. So this is a great deal here. I buy Ethereum when it was at $600, and then I kept dollar cost averaging in at 750. But I did buy some when it was at 2,200 before the massive run up to 4,300, and I sold there near the top. But I still think Ethereum is a good buy right now at 2,400. Binance Coin, 320 bucks. This is an amazing deal. It was pushing $600 just a week ago. Look, down 47%. You want to look at the 7-day percent loss, and the bigger the number, the greater the buy here. 47% down. If it even recovers half of to where it was, that's still a 25% increase. We see Cardano here as well, $1.50. This is not so much of a great buy. It's still under $2, which is all right, but it's only down 20% and 8% for 7 days. I'm still saying Binance, Ethereum are great buys. Dogecoin down 25-26%. I personally am not going to buy any Doge. I already did, and I sold for a profit, so I'm good on that. But for those that are interested in Doge, it is at a 26% discount. That's pretty good. XRP back over here at its critical support at $1, down 30% for today and down 21% for 7 days. So this could be a potential good buy, XRP. But right now, my tops are Ethereum and Binance Coin. Let's see here. Internet computer. This one's an interesting one because this one just came out. It just was released, and it actually started with an opening at $400 here. And that's why we see a huge dramatic decrease in the price 7 days, around 70% or 60% to the downside. So this could be an interesting buy because it still is top 10 and it still has only a $14 billion market cap. So this could be potentially a good buy. I don't really see that many ROI for this, return on investment for this just yet, but it could be good to pick up maybe a couple coins or a couple tokens for the internet computer. Bitcoin Cash down 32% today. We'll see how much did the Bitcoin go down 7% for Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash down 32%, down 47%. So this could potentially be a good buy too, but I'm still going to wait for it to go down lower because it is not actually Bitcoin. This is just a project that is bouncing off the Bitcoin name. It is trying to get that market cap, but it has nothing really to do with Bitcoin. It has no utility. So I'm staying clear from any Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic. I'm only going to be doing it if it drops even lower, maybe another $100, and using it for a swing trade. I'm not going to be holding any of these. The only things I'm going to be really holding is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and maybe some Cardano for my holding bag through the bear market. This is through the bear market. But right now, I'm holding a lot more altcoins than that. But we see Uniswap down 40%. This is also a good buy as well. Litecoin down 40% as well. Chainlink 40%. These are all great buys here in these top 20. What else do we see? Ethereum Classic, look at that. Down 37% for the week. Holding up better than Ethereum, which is pretty crazy, but we did see Ethereum go on that massive move to the upside. VeChain, one of my favorites, down 42% for the week at 10 cents. This is a steal right here for VeChain. So these are some coins that I personally think have the greatest chance of recovery because they've been down the most and they can't be held there for too long, especially with Bitcoin recovering. Now it's hovering around $35,000 to $40,000. This is a good sign. And remember, with that clock ticking down right here in 10 hours, we're going to see what happens to the price of Bitcoin. And if you're positioned in some of these altcoins, you can already make a 10 to 20 to 30% move of profit in a short amount of time. So my top picks: Ethereum, Binance Coin, Polkadot, Litecoin, Chainlink, and VeChain. So that is it for this video. Just a quick update. We're seeing so much FUD, and I'm holding. You should too. Not financial advice, but why sell at a loss when it can come right back? You're not trading options where that's money where you can lose and you'll lose it forever. But these are projects that have a lot of potential and they're going to go up very, very soon. I'm going to be updating you all on these price actions in the near future. Remember, if you want to sign up for those daily updates, remember, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting every day. I post 1 or 2 videos every day. I'm doing this full time here because I appreciate all you guys' support and I love the crypto space here. So thank you so much for subscribing. Peace out.